Hello guys, welcome to Data Warriors channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about relational operators in SQL. Okay, so what is a SQL operator? First, we will understand that SQL operators are the symbols which we are going to use in a SQL statement, like a select, where, and like etc. So with help of those, we are going to use some conditions. Okay, so first here we will see what is the relational operators. Relational operators are also referred as the comparison operators. So relational operators and comparison operators both are the same thing. And then what will happen when we will use relational operators? So those basically used to compare two expressions. Relational operators are used to compare two expressions, means on the left side and right side, whatever values are there, or values, and return a Boolean result. So what it does, based on that, it will return a Boolean result, means the true or false it will return. So if condition is true, means one condition is there on left side of that relational operator, and one condition is at right side of that relational operator values. So if that condition is true, then it will result Boolean result as a true. So then condition is true and result is true. Okay, so there are total six relational operators supported by SQL as listed below. Okay, so first one is this is the first relational operator, equal to, and then next relational operator is not equal to. These two symbols are there. Anything we can use, and then next relational operator is greater than. This is the symbol of that. The next relational operator is greater than or equal to, and this is the symbol, greater than or equal to. And next is less than. So this is the symbol of relational operator for less than. And then next one is that less than or equal to. So this is the symbol for that. So we'll try to understand this all relational operator based on some example. Okay, how like those will behave. So let us consider two variables, x and y. X is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. X hold value as a 20 and then y holds value as a 10. So what will happen here, if x is equal to y, this we are writing. So then with help of equal operator, so x is a 20, 20 equal to y is a 10, 20 equal to 10. Is it true? No, it is not true. It is not true. Then in next situation, how this will work? X not equal to y. So 20 is not equal to 10. Yes, it's true. So it will return true value. This is true. The next thing is that greater than. So x is greater than y. So 20 is greater than 10. Yes, 20 is greater than 10. Then it will result a true Boolean value. This is true. Then in the next thing, greater than or equal to, x is greater than or equal to y. So 20 is greater than 10. Yes, this is true. And again one thing here, if y is also 20, here. So 20 is greater than or equal to 20. If that case is happening, then also it will returns a true, because equal is also there, or equal to. Okay, that we have to consider. So this is true. And the next thing is that less than. So I'm going to write that x is less than y. So our x is 20. 20 is less than 10. Is it true? No. So it will return a false. So this is not true. And again we have one more thing where x is less than or equal to y. This example we will see. So here 20 is less than or equal to 10. No. So this is not true. Here one more thing. If x is a 20, okay, less than or equal to is there now. So x, if x is 20 and y is also 20, then in that case both are same, right? So if x is not less than that y value, then also or equal to is there, so that's why it will result a true. So this way, like this things works. And we are going to see these things practically in our upcoming session, when we will start with the where clause and starting to like learn those things, how to filter out the data using conditions. We'll discuss those things in the brief there. So thank you guys. We will see you in the next video session. Thank you.